Are you drowning in information? Buried under long emails, reports, and meeting notes every single day? Trying to quickly grasp the key message takes time you just don't have. What if you could get the gist in seconds, right inside your Google Sheet? Introducing the Sheets AI Assistant. Let's see how it works. Here's our sheet with typical professional texts, project updates, research findings, client feedback. First, we tell the assistant where our long text is. That's column B, source text. We want our summaries right next to the original text, so we'll output to a new column in the same sheet and call it TL, DR Summary. Now, the magic. We'll use a simple prompt. Let's do all of them. Just click Start Processing. And watch as the AI assistant instantly analyzes each entry and generates a perfect short summary right into column C. Project Alpha progressing, Module B tested, marketing brief drafted, new leads identified, minor vendor delay expected. Look at that! Instead of reading paragraphs, you get the core message instantly. Imagine the time saved. This is perfect for busy consultants needing to digest research fast, real estate agents skimming client notes, or any professional needing to quickly understand long texts without getting bogged down. Ready to reclaim your time? Install the Sheets AI Assistant from the Google Workspace Marketplace today. Transform how you work with data in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.